welcome to this video. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about how to register your international passport, how to apply for your international passport so you can use it to verify your Alipay account so you'll be able to make payments directly by yourself on Pinduoduo or 1688 or any Chinese platform. So to register your international passport yourself, you simply go to Nigerian immigration website, that's immigration.gov.ng. Then you go to the website, you fill in your details, you upload some documents, and you'll be given a date to come to their office to do your biometrics and your capturing. Then 2 weeks later, they will call you to come back and pick your passport because it will be ready. So, what are the documents you need to process this online? One of the documents you need will be your birth certificate. Then you also need your local government of origin. So, those are the documents that you will upload online on their website while you are registering. Then you also upload your NIN when you are registering. So, these are three most important documents you will need to apply for the passport yourself. So just click on this link to take you to the website. Okay, so this is the official website. Just click on this place that says everything passport. Yeah, this place. Click on it and you'll be taken to this page. Said this is the passport application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. If you are applying from within Nigeria, click on the continue button. To apply from outside Nigeria, click on the apply from outside Nigeria. So we are applying from inside Nigeria. I'll click on this green button that says continue. Yeah, these are the things. Before we proceed, we need to check the available dates because after we'll do the registration online, we need to go to a center in our state to complete the registration. That's by doing our biometrics and also taking us passports. Although we upload the passports when we are doing this registration, but they will still need to capture our face and also capture our fingerprint. So we need to check the centers in our states and the available dates they have because you need a date to go for your biometric capturing. So I just click on this check center availability. Come to this page to check the center availability. Where in Nigeria, I'll just click on find available appointments and it will process, and it is going to give me the available all the offices in Nigeria, all the passport Nigeria immigration offices in Nigeria with their next available dates. This is from Abakaliki, Abeokuta, Ado-Ekiti. So you just come to your state. This one is for Sabah, come out here, those states. You just come to your state and look at the next available date. So the next available date is October 27. That's on Monday. Now that we have known the next available date, we just close this place and go back to the next page and start our application. So we are applying for a fresh passport for those who have not done this before. You just click on apply for fresh passport. Now after you click on this apply for fresh passport, you will have to put your NIN, your date of birth, select the month, the year, then this number 1496. You type it inside this box and you click on verify. As soon as you click on verify, they are going to verify the NIN and it is going to display the name you have on your NIN. So for you to proceed, you must make sure that the name on your NIN is correct, and that is the name you want to use for the passport application. So as soon as you click on verify, your name will be brought out, and then you'll now be taken to a page where you start the registration. You you fill in your address, you choose the number of years you want for the passport. You can choose 5 years, you can choose 10 years. Then you put in your documents, you upload your documents like your date of birth, your local government of origin. You fill all the details that they will require you fill them, and you choose the next available date, which is October 27. Or anytime you are doing this, you just check and see the next available date, and you choose the next available date. And when you are done filling all the details, you get to the last page and you'll be asked to make your payments for the passport. If you choose 5 years or 10 years, you will be taken to a page where you will make that payment, and as soon as they confirm that payment, as soon as the payment is confirmed, you will be your application will go successfully, will be submitted successfully, and you'll be given a an appointment slip. That appointment slip is going to have the location you selected to go for your capturing, your biometrics capturing. It is going to have the time you are going to go there. It's going to have the date you are going to go there with your passport and everything on it. So without the date you chose, without your appointment date, you cannot go there. You will not be allowed inside the building. So that's then when you go there and you do the capturing, they take your fingerprint, they snap your picture. It doesn't take time. The only thing that will take your time will be the crowd you will meet there. Apart from that, it does not take time. When you are done with the capturing, they'll give you a paper that you bring back on the day you are coming to collect the passports. They must see that paper, so you need to keep it well and keep it safe. Then 2 weeks later, you get a pickup message that you should come and pick up your passport. And when you get there, you give them that paper, and then they give you your ready-made passport, and then you can go home, take it, and use it to verify your Alipay account. So that's it about passport registration. Okay, let's say you are done with the biometrics and the rest. You can come to this place that says track application. After you are done with your biometrics, you can just click on it, and they'll give you your application number. When you do your registration, they'll give you your application number and your reference number. You can just type it here and click on view application status, so you'll be seeing the the progress of the passport within the 2 weeks that you went to do your registration. They recently increased the price of doing the passport. So for those who don't have the money doing it, you can easily ask someone to help you make payments. And if you want to buy anything and you want me to help you make payment, just a DM away. So you can click on the link in the description of this video, and it will take you to my WhatsApp, and you can let me know. You send me the link of whatever you want to buy, and I'll help you make the payment. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss another video. Turn on the post notification so you get notified when I post videos on China importation. Bye.